welcome back to my channel. I'm back this week with another video for you guys, but today we're going to be talking about my product Empties, and I'm just going to be telling you guys what I liked about the products, what I didn't like, and whether or not I would repurchase these products. So without further ado, let's get into this video. But if you're not a part of the Paolian family yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into my product Empties. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off with two products that are not makeup, and the first one is the Naturel Bioterra Styling Alcohol Free Defining Gel. This is the one with bamboo extract. It is paraben free, and it is pretty much supposed to give precise styling control. And yeah, this is pretty much a gel that I use for my curly hair. If you have seen my hair styling routine, which I will tab at the top of the screen like right now, I showed you there how I do my hair. And I showed you a gel in that video from LA Colors. Pretty much what I would do instead of using LA Colors, I would use this gel right here. Now, one of the things that I like about this product is that it is 32 ounces. This is humongous. It lasted me for around 4 or 5 months before I completely ran out. And this has been my favorite gel that I have used to date. I feel like it doesn't really harm my hair as much as other gels, and it still holds my curl very nicely throughout the day without getting frizzy. And the hold level on this one is a number 3. So if you do want more hold in your hair, you can go with a 4 or a 5. But I feel like having a number 3 hold is very nice if you want your hair to still look natural but at the same time styled and sleek. It is just amazing. I love this gel and I will definitely be repurchasing. Okay guys, so the second thing that is not makeup is the Camuto Bella perfume. This one right here. Now I still have like a tiny bit left, but I have pretty much used this whole bottle, and I love the packaging in this bottle. I feel like it's such a cute packaging, and even the cap is just, look how cute this is. It looks so fancy. I don't know, I really like the scent. I'm gonna see if I can find the notes on this perfume, and I'm gonna put them right here so that you guys can read the notes and see kind of if you will like this perfume. About repurchasing, I'm not really sure that I would repurchase this product, and now it is not because I don't like the smell. I love the smell. It is so sophisticated and nice, and the bottle did last me a very long time, but what I do have to say is that it doesn't stay on you throughout the day. Like, I can put this on at 7 in the morning, and by 10 in the morning it will be completely gone and you can't even tell that I have perfume on, which I don't really like. I like perfumes that can last a very long time. I feel like if you are looking for a perfume that will last all day and you like more floral scents, I will definitely say Marc Jacobs perfumes are amazing. Yeah, I like this product, but I just wouldn't really repurchase it. But you know, it was nice and it smells really good. Alright guys, so now actually I had another product. Actually, I have 2 more products that are not makeup, but the other one is the True Derma Instant Lift, a natural luxurious daily revitalizing serum. It is this guy right here. If you guys saw my first ever foundation routine, which I posted almost a year ago, I talk about using this before doing my makeup. And honestly, I would say, would I repurchase this? I don't think so. And it is not because it is a bad product. I actually really like the product and it made my face super smooth and lifted. But it is just, I don't feel like it is something completely necessary to my skincare routine. It's not really life-changing. It didn't really change and transform my skin. So I feel like if you have more mature skin, you will like that. But for me right now, it is not something I would go out of my way to repurchase. My skincare and my skin still looks good without this, so I don't feel like this is really doing anything that's extraordinary. So okay guys, so the fourth product that I'm gonna be talking about is the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino plus Quinoa Frizz Control Gel. I got this as a little tiny sample, so it is not like I used a whole bottle of it, but you know, it is not a bad product. I haven't really repurchased this either because I feel like it didn't really control my frizz as much, so I'm not obsessed over this Briogeo, and I've heard a lot of great things about Briogeo hair care. I did try their mask and I am obsessed with it. This one, it just didn't really wow me. You know, it is nice, and I feel like if you are looking for something to control your frizz and you have more wavy hair, this will work. But if you have frizzy curly hair, I don't feel like it will work for you. So yeah, those are all the products that are not makeup related. So let's get into the makeup, and the first one that I'm gonna be talking talking about is my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I'm officially done with this bottle, and I got this bottle a while back, but I have to say this is so amazing. I love this with a passion, and this Luminous Dewy Skin Mist has saved my skin on multiple occasions. It is just amazing. You can put it on before makeup, after makeup, as your skincare, and I don't know, I feel like this is one of the best luminous skin mist in the market. If you have not tried this, I highly recommend trying it out. If you have oily skin, I wouldn't really recommend this unless you are wearing a very matte foundation. But if you have dry skin, you found the perfect moisturizer on the go for you, because this is just amazing. I highly recommend it, and I feel like it is kind of like an investment, but it is completely worth it. So now moving on to literally my favorite mascara of all time. I am so sad that I ran out of this, because you know, this is the best mascara ever of all time. I have not tried a mascara that I like more than the Dior Show Pump and Volume Mascara. I have not repurchased this yet, but as you can already tell, I will definitely be repurchasing this mascara. It is super volumizing, super lengthening. I feel like the wand is a little thick, so if you have smaller eyes, this might be hard to use, but for me, I don't know, I would not trade this for the world. I love this mascara. Let's move on to the next product, and the one I'm going to be talking about now is the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Foundation, and I wear the shade 2.4 if you're interested. It says right here, I am officially completely out of this foundation. This was the first high-end foundation I ever purchased. It is a nice foundation. I do like the coverage in this foundation. I like that it does not get oily. The thing that I don't like about this foundation is that you have to use a lot of product for it to cover your whole face. I feel like if I used one pump, it's just not enough to cover my whole face. I would have to go in with 3 pumps, and I feel like that is a lot of product. And I don't know, I just feel like this foundation was really nice. It did blur out imperfections very nicely, but it wasn't my favorite foundation ever, so I won't be repurchasing this Studio Skin foundation. I don't know, it just didn't wow me enough to buy another one, and it is kind of expensive, so I'm not gonna be repurchasing that. So moving on, we're gonna be talking about the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer, and on this concealer I use shade Light Neutral. I literally just repurchased this. This is my brand new one right here. This is the one I read out from. Guys, I used this concealer today, and when I put it on, I remember how much I love this concealer. So would I repurchase? Of course I would repurchase. This is my favorite concealer ever. I know I like Tarte Shape Tape, and I have been recommending you guys Tarte Shape Tape, but I feel like if you want more of a medium coverage and a more everyday finish to your concealer and your makeup, you should definitely go for the Urban Decay one. And with the Urban Decay, you can also build it up. I don't know, I love this concealer. You should definitely try it out, to give it a shot, to get a sample from Sephora if you haven't tried it already, but you will fall in love with that concealer. So while we're talking about concealers, let's move into Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and on this one I wear shade 20. I ran out of this concealer. I had 2 of these, and I ran out of both of them, and I definitely have to repurchase this because this is one of the best concealers from the drugstore. If you watched my foundation / concealer favorites from the drugstore, you know this concealer is the bomb. I love this concealer. I've been using Fit Me Concealer for 3.5 years now, and it has never failed me. It doesn't crease, it doesn't budge, it blends amazingly. This shade specifically has a yellow undertone, so it helps with the darkness underneath my eyes. So I don't know, this is a definite hit from the drugstore, and if you have not tried this, you need it in your life. So yeah, Fit Me Concealer for the win. Now another concealer I have is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is a dark circle eraser. I completely ran out of this, and I do have to say I like this a tad bit better than the Fit Me, and that is because it has a little bit more coverage and it is a little bit more creamy. But if you do like a more liquidy concealer, definitely go for Fit Me. If you do like a thicker concealer with more coverage, I would go for Instant Age Rewind. And one of the things that I love about this is the actual bottle. I feel like with this concealer, you get every ounce of product you bought. Like as you can tell, this little scraper took out all the concealers from the sides. So this one is $7, so it is $2 more expensive than the Fit Me, but I feel like you are getting more product since you use every single drop of it. So yeah, I love this concealer. It doesn't crease, it blends amazingly, and it is very brightening while also erasing your dark circles. Will definitely be repurchasing, and if it me, of course I will be repurchasing. So, okay, so now we're gonna be talking about a primer, and this is the Laura Mercier foundation primer in Radiance. This is a tiny bottle I got on one of those favorite sets, and while I do love this so much, I haven't repurchased it yet, and that is because the big bottle is almost $50, which I did not know until I ran out of this one. So I will 100% be repurchasing this primer because I love this primer, just not at the moment. Right now, I'm just trying to finish up other primers that I do have. I do have to finish up my Professional and my Smashbox primer before I repurchase this one. This primer, what I like is that if you have very dry skin, this will moisturize your skin while also making your skin look flawless for foundation. It will help your foundation stick to your skin because it does get tacky, and it will also blur your imperfections. So I love it. I will definitely be repurchasing it soon. Alright guys, so now let's get to talking about a brow product, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills The Brow Pomade in Chocolate. I completely ran out of this, as you can tell. What's left in here is super dry, so I definitely have to repurchase this. At the moment, I have been using the Benefit Cup Brow in shade 6. So I don't know, I feel like I like this product, but Anastasia brow products are always just the best. I do like my Benefit Cup Brow, but I feel like there's nothing like the Anastasia Beverly Hills The Brow Pomade. This is the best pomade you will find on the market. I feel like it doesn't smear anywhere. It lasts all day. It is super easy to use. You need the tiniest bit of product to do a whole brow, and I will definitely repurchase that one because it is just amazing. I'm gonna be talking about an eyelash glue, and this is the House of Lashes eyelash adhesive in dark black. This one right here. I completely ran out of this, and I kind of sucks because I'm wearing lashes today, and I'm using my duo glue in black, but I just feel like that glue doesn't really stick on the inner corner and outer corner. So in around 3 hours, my lashes will be falling off of my eyes, but this glue is amazing because this House of Lashes glue sticks your lashes like you can go through an apocalypse and your lashes won't fall off with this lash glue. It glues down the inner corner perfectly, the outer corner perfectly. It will not come up at all, and you need the tiniest bit of product. Like, come on, I ran through a whole tube of eyelash glue. Like, what? I had never done that before. So I will definitely be repurchasing this one. I don't feel like I'll use any other lash glue at the moment or ever because this is the best. So right now we only have 2 products left, and there are 2 lipsticks, and who even runs out of lipstick? Like, it is so hard to use up a whole tube of liquid lipstick, but I guess I figured out how to. So the first lipstick that I'm gonna be talking about is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Catherine. This is their liquid lipsticks. This was my first ever Anastasia Beverly Hills purchase, like ever. I remember I bought this for prom my junior year of high school, which was two years ago. I kind of want to keep this because this was my first ever Sephora purchase as well. So I don't know, I love this lipstick, and I will definitely repurchase it, and I don't know, this means a lot to me, so I won't throw this away, but I love it, and you should definitely try out Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks because they are amazing. Alright guys, so the last product I'm going to be talking about is a lip gloss, and this is the NYX Butter Gloss in Tiramisu, and now I love this lip gloss. It is just so good, and it is also affordable, plus tiramisu is literally like my favorite dessert. Like, I mean, tiramisu and creme brulee. But back to the lip gloss, I just love this color. It is such a nice color. It's like a peachy rose, but it is not dark, and it is not too light either. I don't know, I feel like if you've been wanting to try a very nice lip gloss, that it is not super pigmented, that it is not sticky, that it is just that perfect in between, and that lasts a very long time, the NYX Butter Glosses are the way to go. Yeah, I love this, and I will definitely be repurchasing this lip gloss from NYX. And it is also affordable, so that is also a huge plus. So yeah, that is actually my last product. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And you know, I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope I helped you guys pick out some makeup that you should try, some that you shouldn't try, and also some hair care products and some perfumes. I feel like what better way to review and to recommend a product than to recommend it after you have literally used the whole product. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time guys, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.